maybe if I help enough people, these people will recognize that I'm worthy of their energy. I'm worthy to be seen. I'm worthy to be heard. I'm worthy to be engaged with. But at the end of the day, people are selfish, right? And I'm gonna just put it out there, right? I'm a straight talker, so this is what we do on my show. So we ain't talking straight, we ain't talking, right? But I'm a
Right.
straight talker. People are selfish, we us included, right? To
Mhm.
an extent, we have things in our minds that we're doing, and the biggest givers. And I shared this with someone this weekend in one of the. I was at a conference this weekend, an amazing conference this weekend, and even the most giving person that you know is selfish because they get a high out of the giving. We get at
Mhm.
least we get the joy, that high of the joy of giving. We get that from that, right? I don't care. You can name who anybody on the planet you feel like is a big giver, they're getting something from it. Let's just be clear. But at the end of the day, when we evaluate why we're giving and how we're giving, and then think, maybe instead of giving it all away to somebody else, I can give it to me,